Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, you can open and close. Correct. Number two, the answer is not wrong. That's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer opens the door every day. Jennifer opens the door every day. Door. A door is a thing you can move to enter and exit a building. Now we can make a flashcard for door. Please make a card like this. Write door up here in the top left corner. D-O-O-R. Down here, H-O-U-1. This means house, level 1. And over here, the number 10 out of 20. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Door. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. The answer is not correct. The answer is not correct. Correct. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yeah, here it says 3. This is not correct. We also say the answer is not right. Now we can make a flashcard for correct. Please make a card like this. Write B correct up here in the top left corner. C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Down here, A1, V2. A1 we are learning now. Adjective, level 1. And over here the number 15 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Correct. Correct. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned the door. Yes, you can open it and close it. Very good. And number 2, the answer is not correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. You can throw a rock down at the river. We also call a rock a stone. Very good. And Bob is broke. Yeah, does this mean he has a lot of money or very little? Little money. Very good. Number 3, to do something. Just. Yeah, this is an adverb. We say, I just want to eat some ice cream. Today is Sunday, July 20th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. Our schedule is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say door in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.